So this is how to make espresso with a moka. So this is a moka. This is a 3-cup moka. So I've got the base where I put the water. So actually you can just about see a line in there that I need to take the water up to, and it can't go over where this is that lets out the steam. Then into that goes this piece where I put the coffee. And I'm going to be using espresso coffee grounds. They're ground a little bit finer than normal coffee grounds. And then this piece that goes on top, there's another filter here that we can just about see possibly on the camera. And then inside is where the coffee's going to appear. And there's a rubber seal there that I can replace when it starts to wear. So I'm going to put in the water and hopefully not spill it. Not too much. Okay. And then I'm going to put in my coffee grounds. Down slightly, screw the top on, and then I'm going to put it onto the hob on a high heat until it starts to bubble. And when it starts to bubble is when I'm going to take it off the heat and then let it sit until I stop hearing that sound, and that's when the coffee will be ready. So I'm going to take that off the heat, wait till it finishes making that noise, and then I'll have my espresso. So if I carefully lift the lid, we can see that there's coffee in there. And that's how you make espresso with a moka.